You can't even sit in peace, 'cause all of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah, one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time, yeah, then waste your time with me. I mean honestly, open your eyes and see. If you're gonna waste your time, what you need, then waste your time with me. You could have all the space, all that you need. There's no pressure, girl. If you got time to waste it with me. Don't close your eyes to get away. Just bang my line and I'll arrange it. Beautiful, girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless, yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing. If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. You can have all the space, all that you need.
Are you actually gonna eat them?
There's no pressure, girl. If you
Put them in there.
time to waste it with me.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another vlog. I am Sierra. If you are new here, go ahead and stop what you're doing. Click that subscribe button, hit the bell notification to be notified every single time I drop a new video, which is weekly. I always say on Sundays, but here lately, my uploads have been getting like messed up and I've been having to upload on Monday. So sometime between Sunday and Monday, there will always be a new video from me. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for rocking with me. We are on the road to 1K. Y'all are gonna get sick of me saying that because I was like super consistent with YouTube last year, but like this time, like I'm like really consistent, got a purpose. I'm trying to vlog way more. So I have way more footage to put out. So yeah, I'm excited to share. Today's vlog is just going to be like a Saturday reset. We spend half the week in my boyfriend's house and half the week here, and like every time we leave here, I feel like I just leave stuff. I try not to leave with dishes, but this time I did. And then I just have laundry to do. Everything that people normally do on a Sunday, I'm gonna do today because my boyfriend's busy, so I'm gonna keep myself busy. And then yeah, I'm just gonna take y'all along while I do that. Y'all just saw us go to Target and the post office. I had a Poshmark order to drop off this morning. And then we had to go to Target because I just needed some stuff. My hair needs to be washed. I have an appointment this coming up Friday, but I want to wash it. I have psoriasis and it's in my scalp, and so it's just really dandruffy and it's like caked up, and I'm not going to the dermatologist until after my appointment. So I was like, let me go get some dandruff shampoo. Did y'all know that they discontinued T-Gel? I was a little sad about that. So I got this other Neutrogena itch relief shampoo, so hopefully that works very well. So I'm gonna wash my hair, do the dishes, hopefully pack up some more Poshmark clothes and add some more to my Poshmark account because I'm trying to get rid of a lot of clothes. I have to film, so I'm filming a couple of videos for y'all. I haven't done a clothing haul in months, and so I'm probably gonna do a try-on haul for y'all. I have a lot of spring tops, so I want to share those. And then there's another video that I'm working on, and then I need to do some laundry, do Alora's hair, do my hair, and then we're gonna go to my dad's later, and then we may go to the PARK, but I haven't decided yet. It really just depends on how tired I am after I do all of these things. So yeah, nonetheless, this is just like I said, a Saturday reset, and let's get it popping because yeah. I'm gonna show y'all some stuff I got from Target though, probably later, but y'all can see everything. So let's get to cleaning.
They say she get it from her mama. I'ma say you fucking right. Body rude is unpolite. Don't be in the humble type. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm tryna go good tonight. Holding hoochies left and right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. The ladies is pimps tonight. Living inside a dream. They say where the love is high. I put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could. I look fly, I look too good.
On my mama, on my hood, I look fly, I look good. Touch my swag, it's you cool. I look fly, I look good.
I'm so deep in my bag like a grandma with a peppermint. They say, oh, she smell good. That's just cause I'm heaven sent. Second game go stupid, stopping like a toothpick. Man, I tell the truth, your opinion is irrelevant. But I know you think I'm fine. Might be too fine to hit it from behind. Reflection in the mirror, don't decline. I can't even lie. I put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could. I look fly, I look too good.
I knew that we would come together, I testify for you. I told her like you, that bitch I do it. All of them around you scared to do it. I'm not. Long as you looking down here for me, I got it. I've been scheming, doing, hide your bodies. Long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. Tell the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You were just too important. Nobody's body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You were just too important. Ain't nobody do body like you do. In the top top right with you, I feel like Scarface. That way with the bob, I'll be your main one. Just take this argument back up to my place. Sex around you, I'm not biting on your day one. We had to, yeah, we was mad together. Smash and grab you, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Hard to grow when you're not here. I'm saying, how can you lose when I'm with you? How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do.
I can't breathe when you talk to me. I can't breathe when you're touching me. I suffocate when you're away from me. So much time you take from me, I'm going out of my mind. Can't breathe when you talk to me. I can't breathe when you're touching me. I suffocate when you're away from me. So much time you take from me, I'm going out of my mind.
How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do.
So I don't have the stuff that I usually use for her hair, y'all. Normally I use the curl piece pattern white crew. They're both just for me, but this one's really for curls. This one's just for natural hair in general. And this one, it's like her hair holds this better than this. I guess it's just thicker. So this is what I normally use, but if I
You can't even sit in peace.
I really want to do her hair.
All of these niggas be on you.
So I'm gonna use this one just as good. Just if you're
I'm just saying I can be,
hair,
one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. I mean honestly, open your eyes and see. If you're gonna waste your time, all you need, then waste your time with me. You could have all the space, all that you need. There's no pressure, girl. If you got time to waste it with me. Don't close your eyes to get away. Just bang my line and I'll arrange it. Beautiful, girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless, yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing. If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. You can have all the space, all that you need. There's no pressure, girl. If you got time to waste it with me.
If I ever made you angry, girl, just know that it get better with time. They say time heals.
Do you like it? Let me see. Turn. 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 Yeah.
Okay, you want me to spin a little bit more?
No, you're good. Yeah, girl. Yeah.